Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So hari ni we will continue on chapter 8, random variables. So for tutorial 1 of 7, I will show you how to do all the questions in this video. So you can look at all the question solutions in this video, okay? So for tutorial 1 of 7 is about discrete random variables. Okay, for the first one we have 3 marbles are chosen at random, one by one, with replacement from a box that has 3 black marbles and 3 white marbles. Let X is a random variable for the number of white marbles is chosen. The probability distribution function of a discrete random variable X is given by. Okay, so this is the distribution function. Okay, so the distribution function is referring to the X random variable, and the X random variable is represented by white marbles. Okay student, so maksudnya kat sini kita membincangkan tentang X random variable which is number of white marble. Okay, jadi di sini what you should know is ada 2 marble. Okay, 2 jenis marble, iaitu satu marble yang berwarna hitam, 3 marble warna hitam, and then 3 marble warna putih. Tapi apa yang kita bincang di sini ialah kita bincang random variable X, di mana random variable X kita ialah number of white marbles. Okay, we are talking about the white marbles. So the probability distribution function of a discrete random variable, okay, seperti yang diberi. Okay, fx equals to 1/8 if x equals to 0 or 3. Fx equals to 3/8 if 3/8 if x equals to 1 or 2 and 0 otherwise. That means 0 ni untuk mana-mana value x. Okay, since di sini white marbles, kita ada berapa white marbles? Kita ada 3 white marbles. So maksudnya kemungkinan kita akan dapat 3, okay, ataupun kemungkinan kita dapat 2, ataupun kemungkinan kita dapat 1, ataupun kemungkinan tak dapat langsung. Okay, kosong. Alright, so kita proceed dengan A first Roman, Px equals to 2. Okay, Px equals to 2. Okay, so Px equals to 2, kat mana kita nak tengok? So kita boleh baca straight away from the probability distribution function. Kita boleh tengok sini terus PDF. Px equals to 2 di sini kan 2. So maksudnya probability dia ialah 3/8. So just write down 3/8. Okay. Okay, baik, mari kita tengok second Roman. Okay, second Roman dia minta Px equals to 4. Okay, sekarang ni cuba faham betul. Di dalam soalan kita hanya ada 3 white marble sahaja. Okay, tapi second Roman ni dia minta x equals to 4. Adakah 4? Kita tak ada sampai 4. That means kita ambil yang 0 otherwise. So probability dia 0 lah. Tak possible untuk kita dapat 4 white marble. Okay, and then third Roman is Px less than 2. Okay, dia nak x less than 2, means that we are choosing x rather than 1 or 0. That means sama ada kita pilih satu white marble ataupun tak ada langsung white marble. Okay, so that means Px equals to 1 plus Px equals to 0. Okay, so kita tengok PDF kita. PDF kita Px equals to 1 menunjukkan ialah 3/8. 3/8 plus Px equals to 0 di mana? Kat sini kan. So when x equals to 0, kita punya probability kita ialah 1/8. Okay, so that means we will get 4/8. In other words, simplify your answer 1/2. Okay, boleh. So kita dapat 1/2. So mudah saja discrete. Ni discrete lah. Maksud discrete whole number. Okay, since we are talking about white marble, there are only 3 white marble. It means that rather than we select no white marble at all, or we select 1 or 2 or 3. Okay, there is no 2.5, no 1.5. Okay, so number 3 and number 4, we have p x less than or equals to 2. It means that we want from px equals to 2 plus px equals to 1 plus px equals to 0. Okay, so what we get? We will get 3 over 8 plus 3 over 8 plus 1 over 8. So we will get 7 over 8. Okay, we can also do like this: 1 minus px greater than equals to 3. Okay, this is the other way that we can write how the solution it is. So the solution can be like this: 1 minus p x equals to 3, which is 1 minus, so px equals to 3, it means it is here 1 over 8. So 1 minus 1 over 8, we will get 7 over 8. It is the same as before, that we will get 7 over 8. So you can do both way, rather than this way or this way. Both also correct. Okay, so let's go for the 5th Roman. Okay, you will have px greater than 2. Okay, since it one greater than 2, it means that it is px greater than or equals to 3. Okay, it means that px equals to 3. So px equals to 3, it is 1 over 8. Okay, so this is px greater than 2. Okay, so for discrete, what you need to do is you need to know where is the equal sign. Okay, so since here we don't have the equal sign, so the equal sign should be here at 3, because the question is px greater than 2. So if it one greater than 2, so it will start with 3. So px greater than or equals to 3. So px equals to 3, and we will get the answer 1 over 8. Okay, why don't we need to plus with 4? Because the marble only have 3. Okay, that's why we just find at 3 only. Number 6, the question is px greater than or equals to 2. Okay, we can do like this: 1 minus px less than or equals to 1. Okay, because here the question 1, 2 and 3, right? Okay, so here the total probability is 1. So 1 minus px less than or equals to 1, where px less than or equals to 1 consists of 0 and 1. Okay, so it is the same. It means that they have the same meaning. Okay, maksudnya sama sahaja. Okay, so kita akan dapat apa? 1 minus px equals to 0, 1 over 8. Okay, so what we get we will get 1/2. Okay, 1/2. And then for the next, we have P1 x greater than or equals to 1 and less than or equals to 3. So for this part, it means that it's ones that add from 1, 2 and 3. So we need to write such as px equals to 1 plus px equals to 2 plus px equals to 3. Okay, so we will get px equals to 1, 3/8 plus px equals to 2, also 3/8 plus px equals to 3 is 1/8. So we will get 7/8. Okay, there are so many ways in order to find the solution. Okay, you can also do like this. Okay, you can also write like this: 1 minus px equals to 0. Okay, so let's do this. 1 minus px equals to 0 is 1/8. So it is equal to 7/8. So still we will get the same answer. So student, you should know what you need to do. So the first one also correct, and then the second one also correct. Okay, because the first and second it gives you the same meaning. Okay, the concept is correct. So you will get the same answer, which is 7/8. So it's up to you how to do the solution. It's up to you. Okay, as long as the meaning is the same. Okay, let's go to the next question. We have P1. Okay. So here we are given x greater than 1 and x less than 3. So 1 excluded, 3 also excluded because there is no equal sign. Okay, so this is discrete random variable. So when it is discrete random variable, so the random variable must be in whole number only. So since the question gives you greater than 1 and less than 3, so it means that it only 2. Okay, it only 2 when x equals to 2. So px equals to 2. So we will get px equals to 2 is what? 3/8. Okay. And then next question, p x greater than 1 less than or equals to 3. Okay, for the next question, we have x greater than 1 but less than or equals to 3. So 3 should be here. Okay, consists of 3. Okay, 1 excluded because there is no equal sign here. So less than 3, so less than or equals to 3, so 3 here and then 2. Okay, so that means we need to compute for x equals to 2 and also x equals to 3. So we can write like this: px equals to 2 plus px equals to 3. Okay, so we will have 3/8 plus 1/8, and we will get 4/8. Simplify your answer, we will get 1/2. Okay, so simple. In other words, at first we can write like this: P x greater than or equals to 2, x less than or equals to 3. Because of this is all about discrete random variable, so there should be equal sign in order to find the answer. Okay, you need to put the equal sign. Where is the equal sign should be, so that you can do the solution. Okay, so let's continue for the last question. Okay, for the last question we will have P1 x greater than or equals to 1, x less than 3. Okay, so it means that P, okay, since here we don't have equal sign, but the value of x must be less than 3, so it will be 2. Px greater than or equals to 1 and less than or equals to 2. So we will have Px equals to 1 plus Px equals to 2. So what we get? We will get 3 over 8 plus 3 over 8. It will be 6 over 8, which is 3 over 4. So this is the answer. Okay, so for discrete random variable is so simple, because of all the random variable is discrete. When it comes to discrete, it means that it is whole number. Okay, if the equation 1 less than 3, so we will start with 2 and move backward. 2, 1, 0. Okay, if the equation 1 greater than 1, so that means it will start with 2 and going upward. 2, 3, 4 and so on. Okay, so please be careful and please understand it very well, because this is only discrete random variable. Okay, so settle for question 1 part A. Okay, now let's continue for question 1 part B.